Now let's move on to the creation of our AWS account. To do so, go to the AWS website. Once it has loaded, click on Create an Account, and this takes you to the account creation form. As you can see on the left side of the screen, AWS account offers 12-month access to the free offer. To better understand how this free service works, I advise you to visit this link to see all the details regarding these free offers. As you might have noticed, there is 3 types of services. The ones that are always and that remain free, those that are free during the first 12 months, and finally the free trials. You can find the detail of these free offers here using the filters. As for us, we will remain only on the free services for the needs of this training. Let's get back to our form. To create your account, you need to enter an email address, create and confirm your password, and set a name for your AWS account. Once completed, this takes you to the contact information. You can choose between professional and personal, but your account has to be set as personal. You then have to fill in a telephone number, a country, and address, that is to say, usual information. You must then enter your credit card information. Your credit card information will only be used if your use exceeds the free limits. When this is done, we can then connect to the console.